Hey everyone, and welcome to our Kiyomisandz Summer Rain series. And in this episode, we'll be discussing our hand product set. It's very important to take care of your hands because this is a part of your body that starts to age really fast and one of the first areas to age first. The reason for that being is that your skin around your hands and around your neck and also around your eyes, it's very thin, and that's where collagen production decreases over time as you start to get older. So just make sure that you continue to take care of your hands on a daily basis by making sure that you cleanse your hands before you eat or after using the bathroom. Our hand washes are very moisturizing. They won't dry your hands too much, and after you have washed your hands, you can moisturize them using our hand lotions. And if you suffer from excessive dry skin, you can use our body scrubs to help exfoliate your hands, which will help to capture and trap the moisture in your hands. All of this is possible because our hand products have ingredients that assist to help trap moisture into your skin, and it also has some anti-aging properties. It has a lot of vitamin E and also the fruit extracts as well. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this content. Kiyomisandz, love thyself.